Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, confusion continues. We now have a green pin bar, a pretty big green pin bar on the daily, and the day before we had a, what do you want to call that? Inverted pin bar hanging, not quite a hanging man, but it is a pin bar, but also a green pin bar. But the moral of the story for Thursday and Friday is big up, big down, big confusion. And if you look to the left, nothing's new. So we start drilling down through the time frames. You'll see, look at these tails that we've been experiencing last week. This to me is really nothing worth trading right now. A couple of things that happen on the 3 hour. We've got a crossover of the oscillators, which is fairly interesting. Tail up, tail down, tails, tails, tails. We could be forming some kind of a channel here, and we did basically get a weekly close above 1400, so 1450, but we've done that a couple of times. So we did it here, we did it here, we did it here, and we've done it last week. So I don't think we can read much into that. That 1400 has been a thorn in our side for almost 4 weeks now. Oh yeah, so we dropped down to the 1 hour. Now, you cannot trade this kind of structure. I don't care who you are. You're just going to stress yourself out. And you may get it right. I suppose the scalpers trading the 5-minute chart would definitely have made money. We'll have a look at that now. But for me, on the hour, you get nice tails to the downside. Then you start getting pin bars to the upside. That would be a signal to me. So right, that's it, I'm done. Leave it alone. But we are, I can't even find a positive view on this chart this morning. It's really nothing worth trading. I think that's a simple way of looking at it. I'm really not interested in trading this until we clear this. Let's put this level in. So that's the level we're looking for there. So 14,065. We want to clear it, come back, test it, hold it, then move up. So we do have all the moving averages pointing in the right direction. So they are pointing up. They are in the right formats as well. And it's been like that most of last week in actual fact, even though we've had this consolidation. So this range may very well, or channel may very well be the play. So at the moment, the futures market for the DAX is down 0.5%, but that's because the Nasdaq's down and the S&P 500 is down. But that's kind of the play at the moment. I am of the opinion that you still continue to sit on the sidelines and wait. I mean, big up, big down, big up, and you're probably going to get a big down now. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us come back into the 1400 area. And I think until we've really cleared 1400 properly and found support there, I'm very reluctant to take any trades on this. I think that's the short and sweet of the DAX for me at the moment. There's plenty of other opportunities out there, and this one is not one of them. So anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm sitting on the sidelines with this, not really interested in it. I don't see levels, I don't see any structure, I don't see anything that's indicating a direction one way or another. I just see pure indecision and volatility. So big up, big down, and I suspect that's going to continue this morning with whatever's happening in Saudi Arabia right now. There has been an attack on an oil installation there. Haven't seen much more information than that at the moment, but that's probably what's driving the indecision this morning. Anyway, guys, that's it for me on the DAX. Sitting on the sidelines, hands in pocket, money in pocket, and not touching it. We'll have a look during the day, but I don't think that view is going to change today. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.